Silav, hevalno, hêviya compassion. Hello everyone, I hope you are all good. Today I want to focus on a question that is very common in daily life. It is tulukuyi, which means where are you? Let's look at that question. Yes, the question is here. The most common one is tulukuderî, and this is the longest form, of course. If you want to make it shorter, you can say lukuderî, and even shorter, you can just say lukuyi. And they all have the same meaning, which is where are you in English? Okay, so tulukuderî, tulukuderî, lukuderî, lukuyi. And where are you? Let's look at the answer. How do we answer this question? Yes, the answer is here, and it starts with pronoun as and le, which is at in English. As, le, blah, 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 ye, me. And in English, it is I am at the blah, blah, blah. Okay, so as, le, blah, 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 ye, me. This y can change according to the end of the verb we use. If it ends with a vowel, we use y. If it ends with a consonant, we just add a, the letter a. Okay? So let's look at the examples, you will understand it better. Yeah, the first example is here. As le male me, which means I am at home. As you see, I didn't add y in here because mal ends with a consonant. That's why I just add a. So let's look at the other examples, you will understand it better. Yes, the second one is here. As le cinema yeme. I am at the cinema. As le cinema yeme. As le cinema yeme. I am at the cinema. The next one. Yes, here it is. As le banca yeme. As le banca yeme. I am at the bank. As le banca yeme. I am at the bank. As le debistane. I am at the school. As le debistane. I am at the school. As le debistane. I am at the school. Okay, let's look at the next one. As le balafrgehime. I am at the airport. As le balafrgehime. I am at the airport. As le balafrgehime. Who has a bibim batmani. I am at the airport and I will fly to Batman. Let's look at the next one. Here it is. As le New Yorkime. I am in New York. As le New Yorkime. I am in New York. I am in New York, man. Or as le New Yorkime mero. Something like that. Okay, let's look at the next one. Here it is. As le shanoyeme. I am at the theater. As le shanoyeme. I am at the theater. Let's look at the last example. Yes, the last example. As le fezayeme. I am in the space. As le fezayeme. I am in the space. And that's all. Yes, the last one is a question and it's for you. Niha liqui. Where are you right now? Please answer this question. For now, that's all I can tell you. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.